also I was thinking I would do a video about the dryer and the dry cabinet. There was someone who asked how much the energy the dry cabinet used. Here we see the facts about that and the drying time on here. Synthetic, it says that it is about 0.4 kilogram per kilo wash, and the drying time is about 2 hours and 20 minutes, and the temperature is around 45 Celsius, and on white wash cotton it's about 0.6 kilowatt per wash kilogram, and it's the drying time is about 2 hours, and the heat is about 60 Celsius. Of course, the drying time may varies about how fast the speed is on the washing machine. Here's the loudness is about 48 decibels on it, and you can only have the dry cabinet on one phase, 200 volts, 270 volts there. About the dryer here, we have some ground programs, I mean no normal programs on cottons, extra dry, and it says that it's max 6.5 kilograms clothes in it you should have. Iron dry, and then synthetic, then it's only max 3.5 kilograms. Finish woolens, super fast. It's only 3 kilograms. Woolens is max 2.5. Cold air about 10 to 2 hours. Hot air 15 to 60 minutes, and there's top load 6.5 kilograms. Jeans program you can use on 3.5 kilogram max. Shirts, you can have that as well, max 2.5 kilograms. Outdoor clothes, I don't exactly know what that is, but I think there's outdoors. Impregnation, and there max 2.5. Mild wash for max 4. For tea, that's cottons, hard cottons, max 6.5, 6.5. Sedan and reactivation and cod dye, feathers, Yes, and you can have that cage as well, but that cage is not, that is missing on our machine here, but you set it in here, I think there, so it is there, and here's 2 lint filters, and here's the big one. So you place it in the drum so it doesn't rotate, but the drum rotates. Okay, and yeah, that's that. There's also professionals here. Seem to be the same. Yes. You can press these 4 buttons. It all says the same, but it shouldn't be like that. But it is. But you can also press that one, and you have these options. Yeah, so you can choose these programs on it. However, the dryer is on 380 volts or 400 volts, I think it's now these times. So that's that. Yeah, and here is the dry cabinet. Here, up here is the motor, the fan there. I can't see really much of that. It has an automatic overheating system that when it cuts out, it turns on after a while when it's not hot anymore. So there's that.